Welcome to Hands-on Magic. In today's video, we're going to be doing a guided meditation and visualization exercise where you're going to be drawing in universal energy. So how I'd like you to begin is to lay down or sit somewhere comfortable and start taking a few deep breaths, breathing in and out, in and out, just to help get yourself into that relaxed, meditative mindset. Now, I want you to visualize yourself laying there or sitting, and the room around you, all your things. Then I want you to back your perception out to the whole building that you're in. Then another step out to the whole county or region that you're in. And keep drifting back further and further up into the sky until you can see your whole country beneath you. All the while slowly drifting out further and further until you can see the whole continent surrounded by oceans. Slowly drifting out until you can see the whole sphere of the earth in front of you. Taking a moment to think about all the life that's going on that little sphere. Slowly drifting out till you can see the moon and the stars start to come into focus. Slowly drifting out further into our solar system till the earth and the moon are a small dot that you can barely focus on. Slowly drifting out past the other planets till that small dot merges with the sun, and all the other planets get smaller and smaller until you can barely see any of them. It's all just one little dot of the sun. And back further, you can see all the stars around you, slowly getting smaller and smaller until you can see the whole of the Milky Way stretched out in front of you, like you could almost reach out and touch it. Back further and further till you see our neighboring galaxies. Do you see Andromeda? Back further and further to where all the galaxies around us are nothing but little points of lights and look like stars in the night sky. Back further and further out into the universe till all those little points of light slowly start to merge into one. One ball of blue-white light in front of you is all you can see, surrounded by the black infinite. Just take a moment to realize that everything in existence is in that blue-white light. All the stars, all the planets, all the galaxies, everything is in that blue-white light. Then I want you to reach out with your hands around that blue-white light, feeling the warmth of all that starlight on your hands, feeling that energy running up your arms and into your chest, filling up your whole body. Just take a few minutes. Breathe that light in and out. till your hands and arms are glowing with the same blue-white light as the universe. Now, remember this place. You can come back anytime you want. Remember how it feels. Remember how that energy feels flowing into you. Then I want you to put your hands down back by your side and begin to move back into that blue-white light. Till you can see all the galaxies as little points of light, like stars, and then further into that light, till you can't see the whole of the light anymore. And the galaxies start to come back into focus as little spirals and blobs of light with the stars in them twinkling. As you go further and further into the universe, you see a familiar sight of our Milky Way galaxy in front of you. As you go further into one of its spiraling arms, you recognize the little yellow dot that is our sun. As you get closer, you can make out other little dots around it, the planets, and one little blue dot where all of humanity is. As you go in closer and closer, you can see the individual continents and the oceans. You can see the continent that you're from. As you go in closer, the country that you're from, the city that you're from, your house, back into your room, and back into yourself, still glowing with that light of the universe. And you can open your eyes and take a nice deep breath. And we're done. So if you have enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe if you'd like more content like this. And as always, have a great day.